to fix red light blinking in all Epson. I'll show you how to fix this. Arrow in Epson L series printer. Like you can see here, to light blinking. Red light blink. This is L series printer L110 or L120. So let's see how it's work. So turn on your printer and now come to our desktop and download the simple tool. This lightweight tool from the Epson. Go to Google and type download Epson Resetter tool. Click download. After you download the files, extract the zip file. Open the file and run or click projcracked.exe file. Click the select button. You should select your printer model, then click OK button. After that, click particular adjustment mode. Then select waste ink pad counter. And click OK. So here just you need to click on the checkbox main pad counter. Then click check. Okay, good, it's set now, so now check on main pad counter. Click on this and click on initialization and OK. Yeah, it's done now, showing please turn off the printer. So you need to turn off and turn on. Now your Epson is fully retested. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.